All right, this is my third example of substitution with a perfect trade. So the first thing that I would want to do is to rewrite this root as parentheses with an exponent. So I'm just going to take a minute to rewrite it as 4x minus 5 quantity to the, and it's a cube root, so it's 1/3. All right, wonderful. Okay, so now my substitution, I'm going to let u equal just the inside. So when I do that, u is going to equal 4x minus 5. Okay. Now what's going to happen is that this will be now u to the 1/3. So sometimes you'll see in my notes that I'll kind of do a half trade. So I would write a 4dx still, but that middle part is a u to the 1/3. Okay. The reason why I do this in my notes is so that you can see what's still left to trade. So I still have to trade a 4dx into du's. So how I trade is based on this. So when I come over here, I get du dx would be 4. But what you'll also start to notice is that I always multiply the dx over. So I just kind of get in the habit of just writing du equals 4dx. Okay. Now, again, think about it as we are trading. We're going from, if you want to think about it, you can think about it as money. We're going from dollars to British pounds or to euros or whatever it is. So how I'm going to make this trade is that a 4dx is equal to a du. So notice that what I have left is a 4dx. Exactly what I need is exactly what I have. So that's why I'm calling this a perfect trade. Okay, so what ends up happening is that we are now going to have just the integral of u to the 1/3 du. The 4 and the dx turned into a du. All right, so this is now what I have to integrate. So integration has a guide, add a 1, which would be 4/3, and then divide. So when I integrate this, I would get u to the 4/3 divided by 4/3. But when I divide by this fraction, it flips up. So I'd get 3/4. Okay. To the 4/3. But u is really 4x minus 5. So we're going to put in 4x minus 5. And then plus c. Boop. That's our answer.